Welcome. In this video I'm going to be replacing or actually installing the cabin air filter in this 2000 Land Cruiser. So this would also pertain to other 100 series Land Cruisers and also the LX 470. I say installing because this did not come with a cabin air filter, so this is 22 years old and has probably never had a filter in it. So this is the filter I'll be installing. It's a TYC cabin air filter. Look at the back here. Here's the model number. If you find this video helpful and you want to purchase one of these, I'll put a link to it in the description on Amazon. And if you use that link, it helps me out a little bit and doesn't cost you anything extra. So the air filter is behind the glove box here. And some may not take an air filter. So you'd probably want to take this apart ahead of time and make sure yours has a place to put an air filter. Now you could potentially upgrade it to work with the filter, but I'm not going to cover that in this video. So I've already emptied this out and you need to remove this. Now you can take these screws out here to pull this out, but I found if I go over here on mine, I can flex this and pop this out. So I don't know if I can do this one-handed while I'm holding my camera, but I'll push this over and you can see I got that to pop out, and I'll do the same with the other side. Okay, I got that other side to pop out too, so now I can just hang this down like so. Next I have a couple screws to remove. There is one up here, there's one up here, and there's one here. Okay, so now I want to remove this piece. There's a wire under here and a wire here that's going to keep it attached, and it might hang up on this corner and this corner. So I'll kind of shimmy this a little bit. I'll pull this out with my fingers and I'll kind of push it back through the hole, like so. Then I'll come over here in the corner and I'll pull that out, and I'll pull this out the same. Right now it's hung up here on the latch. I'll push it through that, and I can unplug the switch for the door. So that's out of the way. Let's push this off to the side. So this is the opening for the cabin air filter compartment. I want to squeeze these two tabs here and here, and this will pop right off. Like so. It hinges off the bottom here, so it will slip down into that and then clip back in place. And here we have the opening. So if you have a narrow vacuum, you could vacuum that out. Mine actually wasn't that dirty, so that's a pretty good sign. So this is a two-part filter, and the two parts are the same. It does say up on the filter, and you can see here's the little pull tab. So I want to slide this back in the compartment and then let it drop down. And then the other one will slide in on top of it. So I need to push it down a little more till it clips. And then this will slide right in. There we go. So to take those out, if you already had some in, you would just pull on this tab here and pull it out. And then once you get the top one out, you would pull the bottom one up and out. So now I can replace this cover. Make sure both sides are clipped in place. I'll take this, I will plug the plug back in here. I'll get this in position. I'll need to pass this back through. I don't know if I can do it quite yet. We'll see. But you want to make sure these sides are under the plastic. Okay, so I can pull this through now. I'll clip it in place, and I can replace the screws. Okay, now I'll get this back up here and I'll flex these two in place. And we're all done. So that's how to install a cabin air filter and a 2100 series Land Cruiser. That's all I'm going to cover in this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments. If you like this video, please click like. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I'd appreciate it if you could do that. And thanks for watching. Until next time, goodbye.